Hey, what is up everyone? This is Tattoo Bud and welcome to the channel. In today's episode, we are going to talk about the CNC Hammer tattoo machine. This is a very cool and new style of machine. It has a really fun shape, actually looks like a hammer. It has a 4.0 millimeter stroke and it actually tattoos like a beast. I have tattooed the whole convention with this and it actually worked amazing for me. But we're getting a little bit ahead of ourselves, so let's just dive down and have a look what's actually inside this box. So we have a beautiful case that contains everything that we need pretty much. Right here we have the manual that we never really use actually. And we have a Type-C charging cable, a spare battery that you can click on the machine pretty easily. And this is the overall design. When you twist the grip, of course, you can adjust your needle depth. And on this machine, you will find a couple of buttons, at plus and minus for your voltage. And on the side is the power button. Now, if you hold that for 3 seconds, it will turn on the machine. And you can see this beautiful display that shows hertz, voltage. And around the ring that's colored red now is your battery indicator, which is pretty cool. You can also see the time that you have tattooed with it. And you can see I tattooed 4.5 hours. Still got a decent amount of battery left. Now, plus and minus button, all very straightforward. Goes down to 4 volts all the way up to about 12 volts, which you're probably not going to use. I use this mainly around the 7.6 voltage for lining. When you pull off the battery, it kind of looks like this. You can switch it for a new one, which I'm going to do right now. So we have a full battery whenever we are testing this machine. Let's power that on real quick and you can see this battery has been fully charged. Right here you can see where you can charge your battery. And CNC was so nice to pair it up with some Fuego and the Dimension cartridges that we can use for this video. So let's just dive down and test this machine out just a little bit. I think we have tested these cartridges before, but anyways, we got a cool 10 gauge 7 round liner, and we also have a 9 round magnum that we are going to be using for this testing. The packaging looks absolutely slick. It's also a little bit of a finer round liner. Now I do know you guys want to see bolt lines as well, so we're going to use a 11 round liner as well. Let's just get ready, get the practice kit and everything set up, and get everything ready to start tattooing. Now we're going to start with that 7 round liner. About 7 volts to do the first couple of lines. This is about the needle depth that I have, and for the rest I'm going to keep quiet so you can hear what this machine is actually doing. That is looking pretty clean so far. Now let's just switch to that 11 round liner and see how this thing does when we do some bold lines with it. Now I am going to increase the voltage because I felt like the line weight is not really the desired weight, or it's not fully saturated. So I'm gonna increase the speed in this case to 7.5. Not a big jump, just a little bit to see if that improves what I'm doing. So especially during that close-up, you can see that that first bold line is not saturated at all. So that's why I increased the speed a little bit and kind of fix that problem. Now let's do a little bit of shading and packing. We're going to go to that 9 round magnum, also very cool looking. And we're gonna put our voltage down to about 5.5. So I hope I showcased well how this machine operates. I think it looks absolutely smooth and I really love to work with it. So let's quickly go back up top and talk about it a little bit more. So that was the review of the CNC Hammer. I absolutely love this machine. It's a 4.0 millimeter stroke machine, which is very versatile. It does very well with lining. Even bolt lining was not a very big problem for this machine. Also, the shading and the packing is absolutely phenomenal. So I have always really enjoyed using any equipment from CNC, and even this machine, where I first thought like, oh, this looks a bit strange, is actually very nice to work. I used the E77, which was a little bit heavier. This one is a lot lighter than that one, and it's actually a lot more comfortable to work with in my opinion. So all in all, this is a very fun machine to work with. If you are interested in buying this machine, I will always have a link in the description down below so you can have a look at it and actually buy it with a little bit of a discount. So check out the description for your discount or coupon code. Other than that, I don't have a whole lot more to say other than I wish you all a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.